Hello friends, welcome back to Aviva's Kitchen. Today I will show you how to prepare Kashaya powder.
So let's see what are all ingredients required to prepare Kashaya powder. So I have taken 6 spoon coriander seeds, okay, then 3 spoon of jeera seeds, then 1 to 1.25 spoon of methi seeds, then a little black pepper or white pepper seeds, then 7 to 8 lavangam clove, and this is a dalchini stick. So that's it. So we have to fry coriander seed, jeera, methi and this one, everything individually without oil. Friends, in a pan we have to initially fry coriander seeds till it becomes little brown. That is done. I'm getting nice aroma. Take one plate and transfer this. Now I will add jeera seeds and fry it. This is also done. Now add methi seeds. Methi seeds should become a little red color, then you can remove. Now add a little white pepper and clove and dalchini stick. I switched off the flame. This much, like the pan heat is all the ingredients are nicely fried, and we have to put it in a mixie jar and make a powder. Friends, so this Kashaya powder is ready. So I'm just showing you. See here, it's giving nice aroma. You can keep this Kashaya powder for 1 month in a airtight container.